Chapter 6, Introducing Python, Learning Outcomes. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to know the Python language and its features, learn the components of Python window, start Python IDLE and interactive mode. Warm up. Tara and Mahi are locked inside the room. Their friend has come to unlock the door, but the lock requires a password. Help her out in decoding the password. Teacher's note: inform student that the set of instruction is input, executing the instructions lead to processing, and the answer after decoding the password is output. Likewise, a computer also works in 3 stages. To get the work done on a computer, you enter the raw data input. A computer operates on this data processing and the desired result is obtained output. Hey friends, computers understand a language made up of zeros and ones, known as machine language or low-level language. Humans find it challenging to write or understand instruction using zeros and ones. So it led to the invention of a high-level programming language, Python. Let's learn more about it. What is Python? A program is an organized series of instructions that a computer must follow in order to do a certain task, and the language used to specify this program to the computer is referred to as programming language. Python is one of the most popular programming languages widely used throughout the world to create apps for automation using AI, building applications for websites, server-side coding, machine learning, algorithms and more. Let me answer. What is the full form of AI? Features of Python. Python is an open source programming language, which implies that anyone who is versed with Python is capable of creating new programs and adding them to the available Python libraries. Python is freely available on the internet and can be easily downloaded from www.python.org. Python is portable and platform independent, means it can run on various operating system and hardware platforms. Python has a rich library of predefined functions. You can use this library modules to add impressive functionality to your programs. Python syntax is clear, concise and simple to comprehend. Do you know Python is also kind of snake, which is non-venomous and found in Asia, Africa and Australia. Python interface. Python provides 2 different modes for writing program. There are 2 ways to use the Python interpreter: A. Interactive mode, B. Script mode. Remember it, Python is not named after the snake, but after the British TV show Monty Python's Flying Circus. Individual statement can be instantly carried out in interactive mode, whereas script mode allows us to write more than one instruction in a file called Python source code file that can be executed. Installing Python. As we already know that Python can be freely downloaded from the web. It can be installed from the Python website https://www.python.org. Follow the given step to install Python on your computer. 1. Open www.python.org to download the latest version of Python. 2. Click on the downloads button and click on the button shown in the following picture. 3. Click on install now in Python setup window to install Python. 4. The installation progress will be shown in the progress bar window. 5. The installation status will be shown on the last screen. Python will be shown the following screen after the installation process has been successfully completed. Components of Python window. Let us learn about the various components of Python shell. Title bar. The name of the application and the document are displayed here. Command button like minimize, maximize, restore and close are presented here. Menu bar. Various tabs such as File, Edit, Shell, Debug, Windows and Help are displayed here. Script area, the area where you type the code. Status bar, current status of your cursor is displayed here. Starting Python idle. Follow the given step to open the Python interface. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Click on All apps and scroll down to the Python folder and select the idle option. 3. The Python idle screen will open. Python idle and interactive mode. Every Windows application has a unique interface that makes it easier for users to use it to its fullest potential. We can perform different tasks like saving, opening, debugging, configuring idle settings, etc. Interactive mode. In Python interactive mode, the Python idle screen locks as shown below. Python command in the interactive mode. 1. Open the Python idle. 2. You can see a welcome message from the Python interpreter with the version details and the Python promote. It is primary prompt that specifies that the interpreter is expecting a command. 3. Type the following statement and press the enter key. 4. Observe that welcome to Python programming and hello is printed on the screen. Python idle in script mode. Script mode. Follow the given step to use the script mode. Steps. 1. Start Python idle. 2. Click new on the file menu. 3. Type the commands in the window that opens. 4. Click on save on the file menu. 5. Name the file with the py extensions. Kids IQ. To save a Python file, which extension do we use? Let's recall. 1. Python is one of the most popular programming language. 2. Python has a rich library of predefined functions. 3. Python provides two different modes for writing Python programs, interactive mode and script mode. 4. Individual statement can be instantly carried out in interactive mode. 5. Primary promote specifies that the interpreter is expecting a command. Upskill your intelligence. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. Python is a Dash programming language. Answer. Open source. 2. Python is freely available on the Dash. Answer. Internet. 3. Python provides dash different modes for writing programs. Answer. 2. 4. Dash statement can be instantly carried out in interactive mode. Answer. Individual. 5. The name of the application and the document are displayed on the dash bar. Answer. Title. B. Write T for true statements and F for false statement. 1. Python has a rich library of predefined functions. Answer. True. 2. Python is platform independent. Answer. True. 3. The Python prompt specifies that the interpreter is expecting a command. Answer. False. 4. The area where you type the code is the status bar. Answer. False. 5. You can perform mathematical operation using Python interactive mode. Answer. False. C. Arrange the following step to install Python. Answer. Open www.python.org to download the latest version of Python. Click on the download button and click on the button shown in the following picture. Click on the Install Now in the Python Setup window to install Python. The installation progress will be shown in the Progress bar window. The installation status will be shown on the last screen. Python will show the following screen after the installation process has been successfully completed. D. Answer the following questions. 1. What is Python? Answer. Python is an open source programming language which implies that anyone who is versed in Python is capable of creating new programs and adding them to the available Python libraries. 2. Discuss the features of Python. Answer. The features of Python. A. Python is freely available on the internet and can be easily downloaded from www.python.org. B. Python is portable and platform independent, means it can run on various operating systems and hardware platform. 3. Explain the components of the Python window. Answer. The components of the Python window. A. Title bar. The names of the application and the documents are displayed here. Command buttons like minimize, maximize, restore and close are presented here. B. Menu bar. Various tabs such as file, edit, cell, debug, window and help are displayed here. C. Script area. The area where you type the code. D. Status bar. Current status of your cursor is displayed here. 4. Write the step to use script mode in Python. Answer. The steps to use the script mode in Python. 1. Start Python idle. 2. Click new on the file menu. 3. Type the commands in the window that opens. 4. Click on save on the file menu. 5. Name the file with the py extensions. 5. Write the difference between an interactive mode and a script mode. Answer. Interactive mode. Interactive mode is where you type commands and they are immediately executed. Script mode is where you put a bunch of commands into a file, a script, and then tell Python to run the file. Critical thinking. Unscramble the word to make the components of the Python window. Answer. 1. Script area. 2. Title bar. 3. Status bar. 4. Menu bar. Teamwork. With the help of the internet, name any 4 programming language and their developer. Answer. 1. Python, developed by Guido van Rossum. 2. JavaScript, developed by Netscape. 3. C++, developed by Dennis Ritchie. 4. PHP, developed by Guido van Rossum.